Welcome guys to the tutorial number 6, and today we're gonna continue over the OR operators. And you can see A is false, B is false, and A false or false is definitely false, and the result will be a false. So there you go, false. And now using the NOT operator, there you go. Now the value of result will be a true, even there you go, true, because the OR operator is giving them as a false, and this NOT operator changes that false into a true. Let's just change this and make it true, and you can see this. If I run this into the Chrome, and you will be able to see this. Wait a second. Okay, yeah. Run into the Chrome, and there you go. False. Now, why false? A is false, B is true. Now, A or B, the result is true, but the NOT operator changes this true into the false, and hence the false. Okay, these were the definitely the logical operators, and you can try them with the different values and see what prints what. And if you understand the concept of this, there is nothing much more, there is nothing different than this. So now another operators I'm going to tell you is assignment operators. And assignment operators, or it is kind of more like a shorthand kind of stuff. When I was learning C++, my teacher told me that this is kind of a shorthand typing. Alright, for example, my variable is 10. Now if I want to increase this variable, what I would do is I write that A is equal to A plus 5, isn't it? Alright, and if I print this document dot write, and if I print A, now the value should be given as 50. Alright, and hence if we run this, 15. Alright, now other way of doing this is writing this into a short form, that is A plus equal to 5. Right, what does this means is A is equal to A plus 5. Actually, the statement that I wrote before and this statement, they are actually equal, but this is a short typing in which the plus sign of between A and 5 comes here and equal to goes over here. This is just a way of writing, and just to show you guys that both are equal, the result should be 15. And okay, I didn't save it. Plus equal to 15, I did save it. What is wrong? There you go, 15. I don't know why I used spaces. God damn it. That is embarrassing. Well, another way, this is just for addition. You can also use for subtraction, that is this. Alright, you can use for a multiplication, equal to 5 again. Hence, let's see the value at this point. This will give us 15, this will give us 10 back, and this will give us 50. So let's just check out whether it's coming as 50 or not. There you go, 50. Alright. So these are the assignment operators which we just understood. Now it can be used with the division, it can be used with the division, and it can also be used with the modulus sign. Now the last thing I want to tell you guys is conditional operator. Now what is conditional operator? Let's just quickly do it, where a is equal to let's just say 5. Alright, where b is 10. Alright, now I make another where, that is result. Now what happens is what I create is, if a is greater than b, and put a question mark over here, then what I do is this is just a condition that it will be checked whether this is just a condition. Alright, so if this is condition, what will happen is return after the question mark. Now I write 100, or we use a colon and then 300, and we just print the result. Alright, now I will explain to you guys what this does. Let's just look over it right now and just print, and I will tell you the result. If a is, it should print 300. Alright, and there you go, prints 300. What does it do? Alright, now you can see I told you that this is a statement. Alright, now this is a statement. This will check whether a is greater than b, but it's not. Now this condition operator checks whether a is greater than, and it says not. So this is true and this is false. It means if the condition is true, this will be transferred to the result, and if the condition is false, this will be transferred to the result. Let's just make it 15 and quickly show you guys that this time the result will be 100. There you go. So this is the condition operator. You use first the condition, which is whether a is greater than equal to, or we can use comparison operator. Then you use a question mark, then the first statement, then your colon, and then your false statement. So that's all about these operators, and in the next tutorial we're gonna start a new topic. And so thanks for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for the more videos. Thank you very much.